Good morning, xin chào. Xin chào, toàn người mới không ha? Hi, we in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. It's Wednesday, about 11:30 in the morning. This is Phạm Ngũ Lão Street, Backpacker Street.
Calculate the time exactly, so I just go to.
So they have all the flower festival for the new year. So they sell all kind of flowers. This is day 8. Over there is Bùi Viện Walking Street. Yeah, this street's always busy, and they open really late. So, and then they close really late. Bùi Viện Walking Street. A lot of tourists. It's called Western Street or Backpacker Street. Trần Hưng Đạo Street. Now there's Bến Thành to the right, Bến Thành Market. Để khám Trần Hưng Đạo Street. Pizza. Street food. Để thám. The other side is Phạm Ngũ Lão Ward. This side is I think Cô Giang, Cô Bắc Ward. Alright, so we are the laundromat. So all kind of food along here. So this is the 24 hours coin laundry. So we're gonna do some laundry. So they have different machine. This is a big machine. These are the smaller machine. They have different prices. How many minutes? The machine is completely wash and dry together, all automatic. We put in the laundry, washing. We just close that. These are all the prices. So the point change. So every 10,000 dong is a token. Xài có bự. Không sao đâu, anh biết xài mà. Okay, so we just get the coins right there. So they have different kind. There are 60 minutes, 45 minutes, and then 54 minutes, 6 minutes. Oh. So we're gonna pick this one. So we're gonna put the coin in. Xin lỗi. Okay, one more. The last one. So they're gonna start automatic. Everything automatic. There we go. And after it's washed, it dry at the same time. It's the only machine in here in District 1, Ho Chi Minh. So this is the smaller one, so cheaper. So this one is a big load because this one is all taken. So I just use the other one.